In this set of videos, we're going to be taking a look at the different hair menus that you can find within the main simulation menu. The different menus are broken down depending on the way that you want to interact with the hair. The Hair Objects menu has the different types of hair objects you can add to the scene. The Hair Mode is going to allow you to choose which component of the guide you're going to be selecting. Hair Edit is very much like the main edit menu that you find in your interface, except this time it's going to be focused on working with hair. Hair Selection is going to give you a set of selection tools that you can use to adjust the guides. This will be used in conjunction with the Hair Mode. Hair Tools are different actions you can use to aid the styling of your hair. Hair Options are different options that you can control. This will allow you to set things like the symmetry as well as dynamic preview in the viewport. The Hair Objects menu is mostly covered in the Hair Object videos, so we're going to skip over these for now. We're going to jump right into the Hair Mode, and to start, we'll begin by breaking the palette off so that it floats in our interface. I'm also going to go back to the simulation menu, choose Hair Selection, and break this palette off as well. You'll see that in Tips mode, the vertex of the guide is on the tip of the hair. So if we jump into the Live Selection tool and then click and drag, we can select the guide that we're going to work with by mousing over the tip of the guide. If we switch to Root, you'll see that the vertex that is available is now placed at the root of the guide. And so in this case, we have to mouse over the root of the guide to select the guides that we want to work with. If we switch to the Points mode, the selection that we're given now is going to be along the entire guide. So depending on the number of segments that you have set in your guide, this will determine the number of points you have available to work with in point mode. The next option is Guides, and this one here is going to select an entire guide no matter where you are on that guide. Finally, you have Vertices. With Vertices, you'll see that the vertex that is available on the guide isn't necessarily at the tip or the base, but we can use the Next Vertex and Previous Vertex buttons here to control which vertex we're currently working with on the guide.